Hi, I'm Michelle Stolzenberg. This is my reflection over media technology, assignment 4.3. The first question is, why is it important to have the foundational knowledge of technology, resolution, and compression? I'd like to have this technology to be able to use it in lesson plans and communications with parents and staff members, sending not too large of files when corresponding with all my colleagues and parents, so that way I don't so it doesn't take too long to load or store. Question 2, working with Prezi is still new software for me. I've been using PowerPoint for over 20 years, so it'll take me a little bit to kind of get used to the application Prezi. I've used it in a couple different classes over the last year, but again, PowerPoint I've been using since the 90s, so Prezi is I'm still learning it. I seem to use the undo button a lot in Prezi. I don't know if I'm clicking too fast or I just like to hit delete, but I'm always undoing. Let's see. Working with Screenomatic. I'm still getting comfortable making videos. I still feel very awkward in front of a camera, but adding a component of Screenomatic and then using another application or software in the background is tricky. I'm sure I'll get used to it. It's getting easier. I'm actually using Screenomatic right now, so I figured I might as well keep practicing with it, and I can only get better. I can see myself using Screenomatic as a teacher to give instruction on a large project. If it was a project with lots of little parts, maybe they needed to be able to rewatch it and re-listen to the instructions a few times, especially if maybe it's a group project. Giving a demonstration on how to use these technology, I think this is going to be a really easy way for me to record, maybe pre-planning even a lesson plan, especially if maybe I know I'm going to be gone or I'm going to have a substitute, or even possibly if I have students that are working from home and I can send them instructions and go over things with them with a video. Many of the instructors here at Fort Hays actually use Screenomatic. So I think we should just all get used to it and we'll all become more comfortable with it, and we can teach our kids about it in the classroom.